Alright, we're at Lyons Family Farms in Taft, Tennessee today, and
everybody's too scared to be on camera.
Yeah.
We're at Lyons Family Farms, and the mama pig had 10 piglets last night. So she's excited to see some piglets, and we're making a beeline for the piglets apparently.
Why would I be scared?
There's my favorite, the donkey. I like the donkey. There's one big hog.
Guys, I see them by the water.
Yep. A bunch of piglets and a great big hog.
It's a pig. It's a pig, Dad.
Bunch of piglets.
That's a hog still.
You're fine.
No, the yellow jacket up.
Oh.
Oh, the front.
What's wrong?
Oh, big pig.
Mom?
They're over there with the cows. Alright, let's go find some critters.
Let's go over there to avoid there and get the camera on Mom.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is the finest goat pen I've ever seen in my life. Sheep.
I had one of these try to ram my finger one time. I don't see them.
Potbelly pigs.
He's like, look, it's fine. I need to get it.
There's Papa. Shetland ponies. Evil creatures. Cool off, not eat.
Well, I guess it's good that it's good.
Yep. Smells like pigs. If you've ever been around pigs. Right here's where they have the pig races. Hopefully they'll have one while we're here. We can get that on film. Rabbits. I don't see any rabbits. Where's the rabbits at? Well, we just got here. We really don't know what we're going to do yet. But we'll bring you back when we figure it out. Alright, Stella has made her way to the zip line. And here she goes. We'll be back. We've made our way to this giant pillow, and it looks like a lot of fun. I don't think it would support my weight, but if it would, I think I would have a good time on it.
Right here at Lyons Family Farms with the rental of our party barn. Think about it. Our party barn, plus over 45 activities and attractions, is sure to make your
When
next
we were waiting for you, I got you annoying.
for days, months, and even years to come. To book the Lyons Family Farm Party Barn, call our business line at 931-438-9938. Or you can get our phone number right there on the front page of our website. The Lyons Family Farm Party Barn. To take your next
I think I'd probably tear a meniscus.
and turn it into a massive party.
Year number 3.
Alright folks, now remember this is our second ride, so we have one more after this one. Can y'all be loud?
I will do it.
I'm
Countdown for the second time.
Only in the South, pig races.
Alright, YouTube, we're fixing to shoot a cannon that shoots apples. This is gonna be good.
Hey, every punch is 3 shots.
All right, I'm gonna be his loader. You ready?
What? You got that down here?
Oh, he hit the hanger.
Thank you.
Pull it out.
It only goes that far?
Shoot the van. Oh, he hit the. I don't know what you hit that though.
I hit right under the van.
Last 2 shots. Last one. Oh, we missed on the last shot. That's unfortunate. There's so much stuff here. All right, we done took a ride, wagon. We're looking for pumpkins now. She's gonna look at every pumpkin out here before she finds just the perfect one. Is that it? Is that the pumpkin? Nope. Get that little green.
I am not getting a green one. You can't get a green one because that's your only and has always been your favorite color. And also, you were crazy. You shared your popsicle with a dog.
She just put that on YouTube. Oh, let me show you one I found. Come here. It's over here.
If it's a square.
Big Ron's done found him a odd shaped pumpkin.
Yeah. If you don't want to call him by his I would say first or second nickname. You can call.
All right, look at these over here.
What about? No, second. Well, I call my brother. That's the one we've used. No, sir.
Look at here. That's some good ones right here.
What
Right here. Come here. Let me show you this one. I think. Look here. This one right here. Oh, thank you. That one right there. Look at that. That's a good looking pumpkin right there. May I cut it for you?
Yeah. I have a pocket knife.
Look out.
Guys, don't ask my dad why he has a pocket knife. To be honest, I don't really know.
What do you think about that one?
It is not a square pumpkin.
You ain't gonna find a square pumpkin.
I might.
We got a splatter, people.
Lord, it done got kookaburras all over me.
Charlie's got hers. Look, we got a splatter.
Yep.
Where's Stella go? She's right there. Stella, what do you want? A square pumpkin.
You want a square? I don't think you're gonna find a square.
You are not gonna find a square pumpkin, baby. All these pumpkins are round.
It's kind of a rectangular looking pumpkin, but it's also got a bad spot.
I am not going to get one. Here's the back. That's not far.
Now you can probably find a different shaped pumpkin at the barn.
Comment below how many pumpkins you think are out here.
Are you going to count them and give them to the lucky, give some to the lucky number?
What about this one, Stella? You got some green speckles. What do you think? That's not the pumpkin for you. Well, you gotta hurry up and decide. Because they move.
I lost my handle.
Alright folks, we've been at Lyons Family Farms today. We didn't get a whole lot filmed because there was a band playing and we didn't want to get copyright infringement with the music. We finally got a pumpkin. My sister picked up 197,000 pumpkins until she finally found the right one. And we left early because we got some zombies to kill tonight. And that's going to be our next video. Subscribe, like, comment, follow us on Instagram at Official Scout the Dog. And let us know what you want to see Scout the Dog on next. Instagram, or not Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or Rumble. And we'll see you next time.